Hi there, it's time for phonics again, and today we're going to focus on this sound, I, with the letters I, E, and you can see that sound, that digraph in the word tried, t or I'd. I tried my best. I. Okay, we're going to have a go at reading some words that have the I sound in them. And at the end, I'm going to shove in a nonsense word that will have the I sound as well. So, first word, k or I'd, cried. Can you sound it out and read it too, please? Brilliant. Our next word is tries, t or I, s, tries. Your turn, please. Well done. Next word, it's not good to do this, but sometimes people lie. Or I, lie. Your turn. Great. This one's a little bit longer, but we can still read it. That's no problem at all. R, e, p, or I'd. Replied. You might have replied to an email or a letter. So your turn, please. Brilliant, replied. And our last one, which is a nonsense word, no such word as this, st-eyed, stide. Your turn. Brilliant. I'm going to show you them again. See if you can read them. You recognise this sound? It's I. I'm going to flash up the words. See if you can read them. You can sound them out, or you can just read them from sight. It's up to you. Great. Well done. Brilliant. Well done. Great. After you've seen this video, I have put a PowerPoint for you to go through some words that you may recognise already, to practice the I words. There will be some practice where you can use the SOS method to learn how to spell some of these words, and then there is some dictation at the end. Okay, keep working hard and well done for all that you're doing. Speak to you later. Bye.